So today I'm about to show you how to toggle the minimap in Fluid.io. If you want to make your workspace instantly cleaner, focus entirely on your AI node canvas, or easily navigate massive workflows, this quick trick is absolutely the best way to do it. First, open your active canvas in Fluid.io. Look over the bottom right corner of your screen. By default, you will see a small rectangular preview box that shows an overview of your entire workspace. Right next to it, or directly on this preview window, you will find the minimap toggle icon. Next, to hide the minimap and free up your screen space, simply click the toggle button. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts to work even faster, you can also press the M key on your keyboard to instantly hide or reveal the map overview whenever you need to shift your focus. Now, if you keep the minimap open, you can drag the highlighted box inside to instantly jump across complex multi-node flows without endless scrolling. Toggling this off gives you a distraction-free environment, while turning it back on helps you manage huge projects seamlessly. So that's it. That's how to toggle the minimap in Fluid.io. Make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you in the next one.